What are you doing? Are you eating an oatmeal cookie?
Eating an oatmeal cookie. Yes, I am.
Well, when you're done with that, do you think you can do me a favor?
Really?
Yes. Can you put together my Halloween props from Spirit?
For you, anything.
Aw, thank you, Joey.
You want me to do it now?
Yeah, now.
Like right now?
Yeah, you weren't going to take a nap, were you?
Silly me.
So, you guys, this is my husband, Joey.
This is my cookie.
And his cookie that I baked yesterday. I made oatmeal cookies yesterday. But you guys, look what we got. We got some props. New animatronics from Spirit Halloween. This one is Man's Possessed Friend. This is Bubba. And so you'll see him in my videos, and I'm sure you've seen him all over YouTube. I bought him the other day at the Rancho Cucamonga Spirit Halloween store. And today I took Joey there. By the way, he's wearing his t-shirt that he got at Haunted Adventures in Tennessee, in Gatlinburg, right?
That's right.
And so anyways, you guys, look what else we got. Let's show him, Joey. We got Jack Skellington. Yay!
Yay!
And Sally. Oh my gosh, I just can't believe this. Who else did we get, Joey? We got Sally and Jack and Zero. So today was a really good day, you guys, and we were having lots of fun. As you can see, Joey is still playing. Joey wanted me to show you the pumpkin on his nose. You're not picking his nose, are you?
No,
Looks
not
like you're
me.
picking his nose. Okay, you guys, so Joey's going to put together, we're going to do an unboxing, and he's going to put together all of these animatronics.
Well, the only reason we picked these up today was because they were the last ones they had. Here we are a couple months away from Halloween still, and they're already sold out. So we better buy
I
them.
know. That is so hard to believe, you guys,
Yeah.
that these are already sold out, and not even all the Spirit Halloween stores in Southern California are open yet.
Yeah.
So we're really lucky. So he's going to start pulling all the pieces out of the box. There's a leg.
Lampshade on this one.
Oh yeah, from that movie Christmas Story.
Yeah,
You can make that
that's
into a lamp.
It'd
That's
be a
true.
Sally's Christmas Story.
That's true. Yeah, Sally should have her own Christmas story, right?
That's right.
That's a really good idea, Joey. And so he's going to go ahead and pull all the pieces out. Joey got the torso on and the arms pretty easily. So what are you working on now, Joey? The legs?
Yeah, just putting the legs through.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's pretty easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Goes right into the stand, into those long prongs. We were wondering there for a second where the legs got hooked. Oh, okay. So the girl in the store was telling us it was pretty easy to put together, and so far it is. And then what's that?
Power controls.
So that's the inside of her dress.
Yeah. Okay. So what we do
is you got to take that off.
I'm gonna take this
Okay.
one.
Oh, because you have to get her arms in the
Yeah,
armholes.
doing it this way.
Yeah. Okay, so he's going to slip the white part of her dress on top of all of the, what would you call it? The armature?
Yeah.
And then this part of
Maybe
the
next
dress.
time I'll read the directions first.
It always helps to read directions first. I do that too, Joey. You get so excited sometimes over things, you know. And then you have to take them all apart and read the directions. It's like dressing a mannequin, right, Joey?
That's right.
It's already starting to look like her. So now for her arms. Oh, okay. And her other arm. there goes her head, her torso. Good job, Joey. That was pretty easy, it seems.
Yep, this was an easy one.
Gosh, how long do you think this took? Like maybe not even 15 minutes? Or 15 minutes?
Yep, that's it. Can't forget.
Oops, what did you forget? Oh, her flower. Is that a flower?
It looks like a flower.
Yeah. And so now how do we turn her on? He had to attach the wire. So he's still working with the plug. She's coming to life, you guys. I saw her hand moving. Joey can't get her to work, so he's taking her apart. Oh, there it goes, you guys. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Yay. There she is, you guys. Thank you, Joey, for putting her together.
First one done.
First one. 2 to go, you guys. She looks so great. Just love her. I'll keep saying that. So the Jack Skellington one didn't come with the instructions, and probably because it was their last one on display, but so was Sally, so they probably just lost them, right, Joey?
Yep.
So, but I think he'll be able to figure this out. Well, he's wearing his shoes. So those are Jack's legs right here, you guys, these pipes. And so Joey just fit them all together. They just slid right into one another. And there's his pants and the torso. So those are the suspenders. That's the plug to the mechanism.
That is the sensor on the front of him.
Oh, okay.
Let's try and go to the other side first.
Okay, so it didn't go on easily, so he's going to try the other arm first.
Just not, this one's going to even be harder, so I have to go the other way.
Oh, yay. Looks like it's going to work, you guys, this time. Good job, Joey.
Got it.
Woo, yay. Good job.
Okay.
That was a little bit of work, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now the hands. Oh, and those plug in, right?
Yeah, I had a plug for that.
Because they were animated. So those plugged in right easily, right? Pretty easy?
Yeah.
Yay! Oh, wow. This completes him. Oh my gosh, he's working. He's not saying anything, but his arm moved.
There's got to be a logical way to explain this Christmas thing. Finest trick or treaters. The job I have for you is top secret. It requires craft, cunning.
I love him. And so the sensor is right here at his waist.
You're right. Something is missing.
Very cool, Joey. You did a really good job.
All right.
Thank you, Joey. One more to go.
Ho, ho, ho,
Awesome. There's Bubba. Oh wait, that's Joey. So there's Bubba's head right here, you guys. There it is. And there's the front of the doghouse. Does this one look pretty easy to put together, Joey?
What's that?
Does it look pretty easy to put together?
So. It's got a lot of pieces.
Oh, okay.
And, a lot of little pieces.
We're going to have to go back to Spirit because this isn't working right. Joey, you want to explain?
Oh yeah, because this is supposed to slide in here like that, and the dog head is supposed to jump out at you like here.
Mm-hmm.
So in other words, it should go in right here, but as you can see, where the A is, it's off 90 degrees.
Okay, because there's 2 letter A's in there, you guys. I don't know if you could see. You're just supposed to line them up,
Yeah.
but they're not lining
But
up.
the only way it lines up, if you stick it this way, to stick it on here to make the head square. Because if you lined it 2 parts up and you stick it on here, the dog's head
And
is
the
sideways.
dog's head is sideways, and it's not supposed to be that way. So we're back at Spirit, and Joey is trying to see how to put it together. The girls said we can come back here. They fixed it, right, Joey? The girls fixed it. Now tell them how they fixed it.
Oh, they just twisted it and it went popped into correct position. Hey,
Okay,
great
what
for
part
them.
did they twist so people will know?
They just twisted the head. That's all.
Oh,
they're doing.
okay, so the head just twisted, so you could move the head?
Well, it's not moving anymore, but I mean, they twisted it where it clicked in this position.
Oh, so it was in the wrong position
And when they
then.
molded it, in this inside. So,
Oh, so when they molded it, it was just in the wrong position?
yeah, where it went together. Yeah.
Okay, so it's fixed, so
Yeah.
let's go home, Bubba.
Okay.
Okay, we're back home, you guys, and Joey is putting Bubba together.
Putting Fido's doghouse together. He's not jumping.
No, he's not jumping. Oh, there he goes, Joey. Yay. So what was wrong?
I didn't have a good connection, and then it came out.
Okay. Which part was that? I saw you plug something back in.
The connector for this right here.
Oh, okay, so it wasn't plugged in all the way?
Yeah, it didn't have a bad connection. I took it apart.
Okay. So now Bubba is working. We were just going to show you how it works. Oh, careful, Joey. Watch out with this, you guys. And it just fell over.
Okay.
He just fell over on his side.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some more screws into it.
Oh, okay. He says he's going to put some more screws into it. So, Joey, is it ready now?
It's ready. Let's test Bubba out.
Okay. Here we go, you guys. Hey, Bubba. Whoa. Hey, Bubba. What a good boy. Okay, you guys. So thanks, Joey, and happy Halloween to everyone.
Say bye to Bubba.
Bye, Bubba. And bye, Jack and Sally. Oh my gosh, you guys. It's going to be a great Halloween. Okay, bye-bye, Bubba. We'll see you next time. There he is. Bye, Bubba. Bye.